Hello everyone. So before this video starts, I want to warn you that some may contain disturbing images and bullying.
나는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일
중독에 빠져 replay play 원하는데 갈 때까지 나를 가득하니 Can't control my body dance 달콤한 이 향기 붉은빛 선선이 즐겨봐 이 카니발
Credits.
Pare, hold up to. Wallet mo o buhay mo?
Buhay ko.
Buhay? Hindi ako nagbibiro sa'yo. Papatayin kita.
Patay mo. Gusto ko nga mamatay na eh.
Ano? Nagbibiro ka ba?
Sige, putok mo.
Hmm?
Putok mo na. Putok mo.
Bakit ba huwag mo kong hamunin, ha?
Sige, hindi ako nagbibiro.
Papatayin kita!
Patayin mo na. Patayin mo na. Tutok mo. Tutok mo.
Papatayin kita talaga!
Patayin mo na sabi. Tagal mo eh. Putok mo.
Okay class, bukas dadalhin niyo yung paborito niyong hayop, okay?
Okay, let's start.
Hi guys, so ito yung alaga kong aso. Ang name niya is Calde Reta.
Next.
Hi guys, so ito yung alaga ko, si Chicken Wings, Hotdog, and Baloney. Hindi pa lang siya napipisa.
O, nasaan ang pet mo? Ilabas mo na ang pet mo.
Wait lang po ma'am, kukunin ko lang po.
Ew!
Ito na po ma'am.
O, Mr. Reyes, ba't umiiyak ka?
Nawawala po kasi yung dala kong cobra.
She loves to mess around with her friends. Wanna love her now, wanna love her now. I wanna make her be my girl. She likes to give a smile to every stranger. She loves to get her ass in any danger. I love her now, wanna love her now. I wanna make her be my girl now, wanna love her now. I wanna make her be my girl. She's crazy, but she's mine. Damn, I lose my mind. She steps in.
Hoy,
Yabang mo, atras sa pakan tayo, grade 2 ka palang, yabang mo na.
Hindi kasi, susunduin ka sa ako mamaya. Di ba, be? Susunduin ako ng papa kong pulis. Oo, kasi, di ba? Tas, kasama niya kasi yung yung tito kong sundalo. Oo. May dalang arma, light. Oo. Sayang, be, sa susunod na lang kasi susunduin talaga ako eh. Malapit na yun, oo.
Di ba sabi ko tapusin mo na yung modules mo?
Mom, I told you I'm gonna do it later. You're so annoying. Why you keep asking me this?
Because you need to
Don't English me. The teacher gave me notes to go out and give Kelly. She was kissing Brandon, I got jelly. I wanted to be in her shoes for one day. I just waited till recess to make her pay. Mommy, why do I feel sad? Should I give him away or feel this bad? No, don't you choke. Daddy chimed in, go for the throat. For the throat, for the throat. Daddy chimed in, go for the throat. For the throat, for the throat. Daddy chimed in, go for the throat.
Daddy chimed in and go for the throat.
Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Maybe I apologize for I could fall, or I could fly here in your airplane. I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. Got to know, to give my all, and jump in it harder than 10,000 rocks a lake. So don't call me lady, for the rest of me.
Hey, my grandmother can play better lah.
Then call your grandmother to play, oh.
Say it! You say it!
Them LA boys, they wanna fuck,